How's the spaghetti? Happy Wednesday, Bo and Raw, coming to you again on our stop number 2 on our Southeast Kansas fried chicken tour. Here we are at Chicken Annie's Original over here in Yale. Well, Raw, are you ready for some chicken? Let's go. Here we go. The original location. This is what started it all. Not the building, but the location. Okay.
Sorry, my backup beeper is broken.
I don't even find it.
Oh, okay.
To the table we go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Menu time. Do you know what you're getting?
Probably chicken.
Chicken. That's a good choice. Menu shot.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're
I'll have a Coke as well.
alright. And do you want any appetizers?
Mozzarella sticks?
Mozzarella sticks and a small onion ring, please.
Absolutely. Would you like a few minutes to look?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dinners with 2 sides. There's a close-up on the sides. Even piece out, mixed, dark, like what you expect to get. So dark leg and thigh, axe wings.
My bread. Do you want to use as much butter as possible?
Much butter. That's a good
You gotta get all the
instruction.
all the butter.
All the butter. That's a lot of butter for one piece of bread.
We're gonna use a little bit more.
I think these are the jumbo butters.
Yeah, it's legit. The chicken strips. I'm gonna do the 2-piece dark with spaghetti and mac and cheese. And then can I add an extra side of cottage cheese?
Oh, absolutely. For you, sir?
I'm gonna do the 2-piece dark
Okay.
with German slaw and German potato salad.
Okay. And I can grab your menus from you if you're done. And the mozzarella sticks.
Thank you.
And some plates for you.
Mmm.
Anything I can get you? Garlic
Thank-
salt or anything?
I think I'm good.
Good. Thank you. Cheesy.
That's a good ratio.
I like it.
Your sides. And the spaghetti.
Thank you.
And 2 dark.
Awesome.
Is there anything I can get you over now?
Thank you.
Do you by chance have Parmesan cheese?
I do. I'll bring quite a few.
That doesn't look like what you ordered. Did you change your order?
Yes, I did.
Were they nice and let you do that?
Yes, they were. Very nice.
Keeping with my trend on these chicken tour videos, I have my leg and my thigh. I have my German slaw and German salad. Good stuff. How's the spaghetti?
Hi, I'm Sam. I've been here almost 10 years at Chicken Annie's Original. I've been eating here since I was a baby. It's a great family restaurant. All of our customers are family. And if you want great chicken, you should come on out and enjoy it.
Food is done. It is time for the egg machine.
It laid one.
What you got?
Ooh, a little frog.
Little fruit.
Little frog.
Very cool. We are heading out, as per usual. Until next time, get out, have some fun, drink the dew, eat the barbecue, be good to one another. We're going to catch you next time.